Good day, everyone. Good day. In last video, I have explained you interview questions. How you have to ask the question, what is the format, title, introduction, content, and conclusion. Now, we are going to study about complaint letter. लहानपणीपासून कंप्लेंट लेटर आपल्याला माहिती आहे. काही ना काहीतरी लेटर लिहिलं आहे. राईट अ लेटर टू युअर फ्रेंड इन्व्हाइटिंग हिम फॉर बर्थडे पार्टी. राईट अ लेटर टू म्युन्सिपॅलिटी डिपार्टमेंट कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द इनसॅनिटरी कंडिशन ऑफ द गार्डन. ब्ला 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 आपण लिहिलेलं आहे. You take out the book of 9th standard, take out the book of 12th standard. Format doesn't change. But if you are not writing in proper format, you don't get marks. So first, we'll study today complaint letter and see the format. Yeah. This is your exam paper. Margin. First thing is date, address. So I am writing one address. Sona Villa apartment, room number 107, BB, पिंगोळी, कुडा. सोना विला अपार्टमेंट, रूम बिल्डिंगचं नाव, रूम नंबर, विंग नंबर, पिंगोळी, कुडा. If you want, you can add here pin code. If you want, if you know. राहतात कुडाळा आणि पिन कोड लिहितात मुंबईचा. इट शुड नॉट हॅपन. सो इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टँड, इफ यू डोंट नो द पिन कोड, फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. दॅट्स ऑब्झर्वेशन, कॉमा 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 अँड फुल स्टॉप. दिस इज फॉर्मॅट. ओके. देन you have to write date. Date has two options. Either you leave a line here and write date, or you write date directly. That's optional, but we'll leave a line. Date has three formats to write. One, what is today's date? Today's date will consider 28 August. Sorry, July. 28 July 2021, full stop. Second, July 28 20. See here, 28 July 2021. Here TH is mentioned. In second one, July 28. It's not 28. 2021. See the difference. Where is TH? Here. Here we don't have. But if you are writing TH here, it means it is wrong. If you are not writing TH here, then also it is wrong. And if you think, sir, these are too high, डोक्यावरनं जातायत, then we are गरीब माणूस. Like me. Ordinary date. That is 28 July 2021. You have to decide 1, 2, 3. Any one you have to write, not all three. In this, I'll be very much clear. Sorry. When you write a date, don't mention DATE date. It should be directly 28 July 2020. Leave a line. After leaving a line, you have to write two addresses. For whom you are writing the letter, you need that address. If you have to write the letter to GMC, Goa Medical College, whom you are going to write the letter? I am a postman, I took the letter. For whom I will give the letter? I need somebody, a person in charge. Mostly मुलं काय लिहितात? Municipality Goa, done. There is always a person in charge. If you are writing a letter to the school, it will be to the principal. If you are writing to the company, it will be the manager. If you are writing to the village panchayat, it will be the sarpanch. And कुठल्या तरी ऑफिस मध्ये लिहितोय, वी आर रायटिंग फॉर अन ऑफिस अँड वी डोंट अंडरस्टँड, कोणाला लिहू, कोणाचं नाव घालू? सुपरिंटेंडेंट. सुपरिंटेंडेंट, SUPERINTENDENT, superintendent. That post is there in the office. So that letter goes to him. Okay. Now, that is important. Whoever it is, that name should be mentioned. Obviously, whatsoever. Then here, B.V. Kudal. Real Brothers. Kudal. This is the name of a company, Real Brothers Kudal. But this is only an example. Don't copy as it is. Just I gave you a format. If you are writing in the office, the company, okay, we'll take a question like, you got an order from Myntra company, you got an order, and that product which you have ordered is faulty. You want a replacement of the product. But after trying lot of people, the product is not replaced yet, and you are a very sad customer. Now, what you will do? You will write the letter to the higher authorities. That is called complaint letter. So, the manager, Myntra Group, Mumbai. Here also I have given comma and full stop. Very important thing. After that, leave a line. Again, here go with subject. What is your subject? Replacement of a faulty product, whatever the product is. That is your subject. After subject, again leave a line. Here comes respected sir. Salutation. After respected sir, again leave a line. Then we start a paragraph. Paragraph also we have to start from here. I am master. Sorry, we'll take Mr. A, B, C. Paragraph. Once you are done with this paragraph, again, this is your letter. You wrote the letter. First paragraph. Leave a line. Then go for Second paragraph. I had blah 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 whatsoever. Completed. Leave a line. Here we go with thanking you. Thanking you. After thanking you again, leave a line. And the last one is yours. YOURS. Yours faithfully. Or you can write your obediently whatsoever. Mistakes. What children usually do. Here. You are usually writing, most of you are writing like this. YOUR''S. This is wrong. It should be YOURS. This is correct. This is the thorough format of letter. Again, I am going through this format. Chalo, take a close look. What is this? This is for address, date, to address, subject, salutation, paragraphs, thanking you, yours faithfully. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं important thing, leaving the line. If you are not leaving the line, it means that your format is wrong. Last few years when I am checking the paper, what students do, they don't leave the line here. After respected sir, they directly start the paragraph from here. That is wrong. It should be leaving a line and then start the paragraph. This is the proper format. Here at last, if you want, you can add your email address like abc@gmail.com, blah blah blah. At last. I'm always giving my students first paragraph of complaint letter. Even now, I'm telling you all, if you want, you can copy them. First paragraph, okay? I am Master ABC, the resident of Kudal. I wish to bring to your kind notice that नंतर gap. जो काही subject असेल, whatever the subject is, copy the subject there. Full stop. I went through proper channels, but the concerned authorities paid deaf ear to my complaint. Full stop. This is my first paragraph, introduction paragraph. What is this introduction all about? I am so and so person. I told lot of people about my complaint. Nobody listened to me. Now you are my last hope. That's why I am writing this letter to you. First paragraph. Second paragraph, write what is your problem. Complaint means surely there will be a problem. Whatever problem you have, you write it in your second paragraph. Third paragraph, tell them I will be very obliged. I will be very grateful if you are solving my problem. Please look into the matter personally and give us a sign of relief. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Over. That's it. This is called the format of letter. All the official letters, the format is same. Today we have seen complaint letter. Thank you. Have a good day.